When we go back and we interpret the Bible in Jesus's way. So, riddle me this, okay? Should I follow the sages of old who did not see or know God fully, but only experienced through their flesh in a dim way? Or should I follow the one who was the Word at the beginning, who showed himself in the flesh and told us this is what it actually means? Right? So I'm more inclined to interpret everything through Jesus and have no qualms about it.
So you're reading the New Testament and going back.
We're going back to move forward.
Yeah.
We're taking Jesus back and we're seeing him in everything. And it makes way more sense than it ever would without him.
Yeah.
So, that's the whole premise of this mission, of this Bible study group of sorts. We want to be a sort of an apostolic ministry where we say none of this is outside of understanding because we have the Word who interpreted it for us. None of this is outside of the character of Jesus, who is the image of God for us to take back and understand.
Yeah.
Right? So to the listener, when you hear this, we would have already released on YouTube all of the book of Job. And all of the book of Job is about Jesus.
Yeah.
And he interprets it. And he does that all the way through Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth. It's all Jesus.
Yeah.
And we can interpret it through him.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. So don't hate the law, Landon. Don't turn away from it.
Yeah.
Respect Moses. Have love for the fact that God did do a work through him. If God did it, if God chose him, then who are we to say it's not good? We just have to mine the goodness out of it in Jesus' name.
Yeah.
So the new covenant is different than the old covenants. But there's only one covenant that had it: if you do this, you'll be blessed. If you don't, you'll be cursed. And that's the Mosaic covenant. But it's only for a time, because Israel was not going to be ready yet. That's what Jesus said when he cursed the fig tree. Remember, like this whole scene? They weren't ready yet.
But they will be.
They will be.
Yeah.
Israel's not cut off. And we're not cut off from them. We should be one practicing faith, not two separate, distinct people.
But we're all divided now.
Because we don't love the truth.
Yeah.
If we took these books and we put them in us, and we prayed, and we let the Spirit lead us, we would continue to change. And we would become more like each other.
Yeah.
Because our base would be the same base. Right?
Yeah.
So that's the way I see this anyway.